Most Kenyans who borrow money from mobile-based lenders default due to a lack of discipline. A new report on digital loans also shows that most borrowers are between the age of 31 to 50 years. Now, Denis Otieno gives us more details.
The proliferation of digital lenders has made it possible for Kenyans lacking bank accounts to access funds by touch of a button. But not everyone is servicing their mobile loans. A report by Credit Info, a provider of credit information, indicates that 70% default because they can.
Not everyone who defaults is necessarily bad, but a good majority of them, it's a character issue. Once they default, they're still defaulting on the other, or it's a discipline issue. They're not managing their finances very well, despite them being given opportunities after having defaulted previously. We're still seeing that trend of default following through thereafter.
The survey covered 15 lenders dishing out loans with a maximum limit of 50,000 shillings repayable within 3 months. 50% of mobile loans were issued to people between the ages of 31 to 50, while only 21% went to the young people aged 25 and below, indicating a high rate of defaulters in the group. 90% of customers surveyed borrowed from 2 lenders. 23% had 1 loan, while 19% borrowed from more than 7 loan apps during the period. Commercial banks still account for a huge percentage of the mobile loans at 93%, despite proliferation of current digital apps.
From figures that we've seen before, the estimates we see between KCB, Mshwari, and I believe TBs, I'm not too sure, the average they say there is about between 100 to 120,000 loans disbursed in a day. So I don't think any of the other non-bank are getting to those numbers, even if you're to combine 30 or 20 of them.
The survey, which was conducted 6 months from November last year, indicates that the market is still heavily dominated by men, who account for about 65% of the mobile loans borrowed, while the rest of the loan book is taken up by women.
That these are people who are working or in some sort of commerce, and the access to these facilities is to facilitate that commercial activity that they're engaged in, whatever it may be.
Denis Otieno, Citizen TV.